Wicken Fen's a really special place and really famous. Peat habitats. They've got many benefits and they're just a really beautiful place. They support a whole range of wildlife. They're fantastic at storing carbon because when they're wet they hold carbon locked in the ground. They feel like wild landscapes, completely natural, but there is a lot of work that goes on to protect them and to keep them in a good state. Starling Bank's funding towards the National Trust's landscape recovery aim to help restore peatlands. I do feel positive about the future. Peatland can be protected relatively simply, but the fact that there is this interest and this support for protecting peatland that's really grown over the last few years and gained momentum, that gives me hope.